Hi, I am Ipshita. Today I will be showing you a design which will be done with nail polishes, but it will give you a gel polish finish. For that we need a tip and a gel polish to do the base, and then we will do some artwork with nail polishes. This is from Revlon, and this is from Color Bar, and this is from Lakme, and a nail polish remover. Now I am applying the gel polish and will cure it for 60 seconds. Again I will give another coat, and again I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I am applying 2 coats. Now my nail got cured, and I am removing the sticky layer with some alcohol and lint-free wipe. And now I am taking the golden color and the blue color nail polish and putting little amount on the palette, and will give it a good mix. You have to hurry in this process because it air dries. The nail polish is air dries. Now I am taking the brush of the blue color nail polish and mixing it. See, it came out to be a beautiful green shimmery color, and I am applying it on the nail tip randomly. Though it air dries, I will activate the drying process by putting it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes. I will clean this brush with some alcohol before putting it back into the bottle so that no residue of this color remains. And this nail got dried completely. It air dries, but with the heat of the LED lamp, it activates the drying process. Now I am taking a gel top coat and putting it on the palette, and with a striper brush I will start drawing few designs on the colored portion of the nail. Now if you don't have gel polish, then for the base you can use any regular nail polish. You have to apply it on the nail and dry it, air dry it, or you activate it with under the LED lamp, and then you must apply the top coat, gel based top coat, no wipe, gel based top coat. And then after curing the nail, then you go to this design. You can do this design with any color, any type of design you can do, because we'll be using nail polish remover, and while removing the extra nail polish which is not under the design or under the top coat will also get removed if the base is not properly cured. Hope that makes sense. Now after curing this nail for 60 seconds, I will remove the rest of the nail polish with a nail polish remover, and the portion where the nail polish is there, but where the gel polish was not there, I mean top coat was not there, all the nail polish will get removed. In this way the full design will be done. Now again I am putting some golden color and blue color and mixing it to get that particular green. Now I am happy with the color, yes, and will apply on those portions where I missed out the top coat. Now with a striper brush I will crisp the edges of the holy leaf. Now this again dries up in the air. It is a air dry, you know, nail polishes are air dry, but I am going to dry this portion again by putting it under the LED lamp for 2 minutes, because it activates the drying process, as I told you before. And I will do this process several times in this video. Now you can say that we can easily mix the regular nail polish with gel top coat and could have done this design. Yes, you could have done it, but the embossing texture of the design wouldn't have come. This texture, for this texture I'm following all these processes. At last you will see me that I will be mixing the golden nail polish with the top coat and will give the finishing touch. Now this is not my idea. I got this idea from Christy McKeans of Nail channel. A big shout out to her. She has taught us a beautiful technique. But the main problem with this design is that with this glitter polishes, it's very difficult to make out where you are applying the gel top coat, because both are shiny and it merges, rather it camouflages together, and it's very difficult to see. But still it's a fun to do this design. After the nail got dried completely, I am taking some gel top coat and lining the border of the design with the striper brush, and will cure it for 60 seconds again. This will give me an effect of embossed structure, and together with a little lifted, a little lifted effect of this design. Or rather you can say this is the beauty of this design. In another video I will show you how to convert your regular nail polish into UV gel polish. That will be an interesting one. Now with the red nail polish, I'll be applying a little amount over here, and with my hand I will take the excess and wipe it out, and again I will air dry it, and after it got dried I am taking the gel top coat, and with a dotting tool I am putting some dots. No, I am not happy with the dots. I am removing it, and again I will put some dots over there. Now I will cure it again for 60 seconds under the LED light. Now this got cured, and I am rubbing it with some nail polish remover, and see, it gave some effect of cherries. I think some cherries are missing, so I am taking the red nail polish again, and with the striper brush I am putting small spots of red dots around the design which I made, and you can see these spots will give you an effect of small cherries or berries, you can say, and it will air dry, but I will again dry it under the LED lamp. But before that I will take the golden color and will put it again randomly around the holy leaf to give some design. Now again with the top coat I am adding some designs here and there at the end of the holy leaf, and at the bottom of the design also I am giving some stripes, some swirls, you can say, and then with again here I was not happy. The red nail polish which was air dried, I am covering it with gel top coat and will go back to the designs. Now with the dotting tool I am adding some dots at the end of the swirls, and then will again cure it for 60 seconds, and the excess of the nail polish again I will remove it with some nail polish remover. Now see the transformation. See the design it came out. So lovely. Now I am mixing the golden color nail polish with the top coat, the gel top coat rather, and will give the finishing touch to the nails. Now you can ask me that why didn't I do it before? Because first, due to the nail polish was scattered everywhere on the nail, I couldn't see what type of design it came out first, and secondly, unless and until the design gets completed, then I won't be able to understand where the finishing touch was needed. For that, I am giving it right now. Now this design won't be even with the surface of the nail. It will be little raised up. Now if you want to make it plain like the nail surface, then you have to add some base coat over it, and either base coat or gel, builder gel over the full nail, and then give it a buff and then add the top coat. But the embossing effect won't be there. But to keep the embossing effect, I won't be adding anything more. After curing this design, I will go to apply the top coat directly. After applying the top coat, I will cure it for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. Never apply 2 layers of top coat, otherwise the embossing effect will go off. Now let's check the reveal shots. So how did you like my design? If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, as I'll be bringing up more nail polish hacks or nail hacks further in this channel. And thank you for watching, and wherever you are, have a great day or night, and till then, goodbye and be safe.